Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating this beautiful Mehndi design that's perfect for weddings, festivals, and special occasions. If you love easy and elegant Mehndi patterns, you're in the right place. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, do you prefer simple Mehndi or full bridal Mehndi? I love reading your answers and getting new video ideas from you. As you can see, I'm starting with the center design first. Now I'm adding floral details. Flowers are one of my favorite elements because they suit every occasion and look beautiful on all hand sizes. If you're learning Mehndi, don't worry about perfection. Every artist starts somewhere. Practice a little every day, and you'll see a huge improvement over time. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from and what type of Mehndi design you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next Mehndi tutorial. Bye.